Welcome dear students. As many of the students were asking about this type of questions that find the interval of convergence of the series. For this series, what is the interval of convergency? Now, how to solve this problem? Just I am explaining you once again. You have to expand this by taking n is equal to 0. So, put n is equal to 0. What will happen? Let us say now. So, what is the series? Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity x minus 1 power 2n by 4 power n. Now, let us put n is 0. When you put n is 0, here it is 0 and here it is 0. So, the powers are 0 means it is 1, correct? And when you put n is 1, then please do it very clearly so that x minus 1 power 2 into 1 is 2 over 4 power 1 is 4 plus x minus 1 the whole power 2 into 2 is 2 into 2 4 by 4 power 2 and so on so forth. So it is clear that it is the geometric series. So this is the geometric series. Now what is the common ratio? With the common ratio R is given by, what is the common ratio? Second term by first term. What is the second term here? X minus 1 the whole square by 4. This is what the second term by the first term. So that means nothing. When there is a denominator is 1 means there is nothing to write. So x minus 1 the whole square by 4 is your common ratio. Now the geometric series, the series is convergent. When the series is convergent, if mod r is less than 1, correct? So now what do you mean by mod r here? That implies mod r is given by modulus of x minus 1 the whole square by 4 is less than 1. So what it implies? X minus 1 the whole square is less than, multiply by 4 on the whole. So it is less than 4. I hope it is clear. So now that implies x minus 1 is less than square root of 4. That means plus or minus 2. So when you write x minus 1 is less than plus or minus 2, what you can say? It is equal to, when you can write this, minus 2 is less than x minus 1 is less than plus 2. This as a note I have given you before also. Whenever you have mod x is less than a, suppose, then minus a is less than x is less than a. This is what the understanding. So according to this rule, when you have in the place of x you have mod x minus 1, that's it, right? So x minus 1 is less than square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. So x minus 1 lies between minus 2 and plus 2. So here I want only x, so add 1, okay? So that implies minus 2 plus 1 is less than x minus 1 plus 1 is less than 2 plus 1. So that means this gets cancelled, you will be remain with x less than minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. Therefore, the interval of convergency, that the interval of convergency is in the interval minus 1 comma 3, minus 1 to 3. Is minus 1 comma 3. This is what you have to understand. I hope it is clear, more clear all of you whenever you have this one. Now let us have one more problem, because many students are asking this type of questions, how to solve it like that. Suppose I have another question like this. Suppose summation x minus 1 the whole power n by, let us say 3 power n, or x minus 2 the whole power n by 3 power n is equal to 0 to infinity. Find the interval of convergency only. So now what is your equation? How to expand this? You can expand when n is equal to 0, it is 1. When n is 1, it is x minus 2 power 1 by 3 power 1, that is 1. Then when n is 2, it is x minus 2 the whole square by 3 square. When n is 3, this is x minus 2 the whole cube by 3 cube, and so on. So now what is this? This is again a geometric series. This is the geometric series with the common ratio. What is the common ratio? Second term by the first term. Always remember that. Second term by the first term. What is the second term here? X minus 2 by 3. First term is 1. So therefore, the series is convergent. The series is convergent. When it is convergent, mod r is less than 1. So now what is your r? R is mod of x minus 2 by 3 is less than 1. So that implies x minus 2, mod x minus 2 is less than 3. So when I write like this, mod x minus 2 is less than 3, x minus 2 lies between minus 3 and plus 3. Okay, so that implies add 2 both sides. Minus 3 plus 2 is less than x, minus 2 plus 2 less than 3 plus 2. So x lies between minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, 3 plus 2 is 5. So what is the interval of convergency? So the interval of convergence is the interval minus 1 comma 5. This is what you can understand. I hope it is more clear. Thank you.